Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, in this insightful session of the Fourth International Conference on Education for All, allow me to thank for opportunity that has given to me to present the article with the title Teacher Strategies for Increasing Students' Creativity through the project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. And the second time, let me introduce, I am Belinda Khornisa Salsabila, a student of Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Muhammadiyah University Surakarta, Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, and now we are going to move on to the main presentation. Background of the article. The government has introduced the independent curriculum as a curriculum that is relevant to the 21st century education and study needs. This is in accordance with the goals of education in Indonesia, namely to build a generation with character and intelligence. However, recently we have often seen a decline in character among the nation's generation. One of them is the dimension of the Pancasila students' profiles, namely children's creativity. Research on 50 children in Jakarta, aged 10 years, conducted by Hans Jelen and Klaus in Lubis and Rakouti 2020 revealed that among children of the same age from 8 other countries, Indonesian children have the lowest level of creativity. Then the result of Rafi Udin's research in Yuningsi et al. 2020 show that students' ability to think creatively is still lacking from elementary to tertiary education because education in improving higher level thinking has not been implemented well. Then, by paying attention to the above problems, the character of education has become the center of attention in various parts of the world, one of which is children's creativity. Increasing children's creativity is important to install from an early age. Students can think of fresh ideas, have a high sense of curiosity, and have vivid imagination. Ikhwan et al. Thus, as a facilitator, teachers have an important role in helping students increase their creativity. During the learning process, the teacher's strategies influence students' skills. Munandir in Purwaningrum 2016 revealed that creativity in optimal development is closely related to the way teachers teach strategies. The independent curriculum has two main components. Two of them are intracurricular learning and project for strengthening Pancasila student profile. In activity project for strengthening Pancasila student profile, it is used to carry out the character development process. Therefore, the project is a strategy that educators can use to encourage children to be more creative. In third, this project for strengthening Pancasila student profile, school can divide their time according to their needs. Students get freedom in learning, and the structure of learning is more active and effective because they can feel the real condition around them. By giving students the opportunity to do various things according to their needs in the surrounding environment, students can increase their creativity. Sari, 2013. Then, one of the educational institutions that has adopted teacher strategies for increasing students' creativity through the project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Learning is SD Negeri Trisawahan Ngemplak District, Boyolali Regency. This school has implemented learning using projects for 2 months. This project-based learning takes place twice a week, every Friday and Saturday. According to the findings of interviews with the teachers and students in fifth grade, there are numerous challenges that both students and teachers must overcome. Research conducted by previous research agrees with this, namely that many students still feel confused in describing an idea in their minds after being given material by the teacher. Kim et al. And Lasik, and are embraced in expressing opinions during presentation in front of the teacher. Ramadhani. In addition, according to Guo et al., the challenge teachers face is adjusting the time schedule for implementing project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles learning. Then previous research. First, previous research outlines that project-based learning, which consists of 6 syntax, namely basic question, making a project schedule, design a project plan, monitoring, developing project result, and reflection, has proven to be effective in increasing student creativity. Uma et al. 2019. Second, the researcher explains that to strengthen the creative dimension of learning, teachers use project-based learning at project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Mufti and Purnamasari, 2023. Third, research showed that an alternative for increasing creative skills is integrating project-based learning into social studies learning. Yamin et al. 2020. Some results from those studies and this study differ, especially in terms of research focus and location. Based on previous research, it only focused on preparatory activities and strategies to increase student creativity through project for strengthening Pancasila student profile. Meanwhile, this research not only focus on strengths and planning to increase students' creativity towards project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles, but also on factors that can support and hinder the implementation of project-based learning as well as solutions to overcome these obstacles. Then research purpose based on observation data. Research observed grade 5 students who show low creativity. This can be solved by a lack of imagination in creating work and a lack of initiative in using tools and materials in our work. Therefore, talk project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles, teachers use project-based learning and differentiated learning as a way to increase creativity based on the problem's description and previous research. Researchers need to examine in more depth the stakes of increasing creativity in fifth grade students through project-based learning as a means of strengthening the Pancasila student profiles. As a result, the aim of this research is to describe project-based learning strategies implemented by teachers as well as supporting factors, obstacles, and solutions to overcome obstacles in implementing them at State Elementary School Tri Sawahan. Then research method. The research approach method used descriptive, qualitative, and phenomenological approach research design. Fifth grade teachers and fifth grade students are the subject of this research. The object of this research is the teacher's process in carrying out project for strengthening Pancasila student profile activities. Research obtained information from primary data source by conducting observation in fifth grade during the implementation of project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles and conducting interviews with teachers and fifth grade students. Apart from that, research also collected information from journals, reference books, and documentation when using secondary data. Research collect data through observation, interviews, and documentation. This research uses a triangulation method of techniques and search to measure the validity of the data by comparing data with each other collected from documentation, interviews with informants, and observation. To obtain credible answers, interactive data analysis techniques were used in this research, which include data processing, data rejection, data presentation, and drawing conclusion, which took place during information collection with a series of observation and interview sets. Result and discussion. Teacher strategy is a project-based learning and differentiated learning. Differentiated learning, the result of teacher and Trisawahan observation and interviews in different learning. The teacher links the learning material about what's be with the surrounding environment in the introduction of ways in line with this research. Rahmawati et al. Shows that linking learning with the surrounding environment can support student learning by making them feel comfortable and at easy with each other so that it can be adjusted to student learning interests. Then the teachers implement project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. In accordance with the project theme, the teachers provides waste material for implementing material on the theme of a sustainable lifestyle. This is in accordance with the statement et al. That different learning material content in implementing the project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Profit must be in accordance with the project theme in order to achieve learning goals together. Then teachers carry out continuous assessment, for example, in question and answer, students' ideas to find out to the condition in each lesson. Teachers always evaluate students using various different techniques. This is in line with the opinion of Gustetti and Neviarni, which shows that teachers have access to various methods for assessing students' learning outcomes through continuous assessment. Then responsive teaching between teachers and students. For example, teachers provide opportunities for students to convey ideas and line with this the findings Fatona et al. So that responsive teaching can encourage learning interactions that enable students to practice creative thinking. Then planning stage. At the planning stage, teachers need to prepare several things for implementing project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Activities include one, determining the project theme. At State Elementary School Cisawahan, the theme applied is sustainable lifestyle with the topic of processing inorganic waste to indoor handicrafts. And then planning the implementation time project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Implementation is carried out every Friday and Saturday according to school condition. 3. Determine the dimension of the Pancasila student profile and create a project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Teaching module. The dimension used in this project is the creative dimension. And in strategy 2 is project-based learning. The important elements in implementing project-based learning, Cataneo, including one, project learning is triggered through questions that stimulate students to think critically. There is student activity in carrying out learning and asking questions. Project learning focus on problematic use that interest students. Project-based learning based on research interview with teachers about implementing project-based learning. Teachers carry out the following steps. 1. Basic question. The teacher invites students to go around the school to observe the condition of trash in their environment, which can trigger students regarding the project that will be carried out. The research result, narration and Overton are in line with this statement, which show that with basic question, teachers can facilitate, facilitate and direct students in finding creative and innovative problem solution. Second, design the project plan. Students and teachers work together to design project plans in line with these research findings. Swari et al. So that students who participate in project planning activities are more likely to handle problems methodically and sequentially and pay attention to detailed description. These make a activity schedule. The teacher and student prepare a schedule of activities to be carried out during project learning. Fourth, check and monitor students and regarding the development of student projects. In project activities, teacher must always check and monitor students by facilitating their needs in the project creation process. In agreement with this, Hetona and Aisha state that teachers have full responsibility for students to monitor student activities during project completion. Meanwhile, regarding the development of student projects, students are very engrossed in making projects. Test the project result. Testing and assessing the result is carried out by presenting the result of each group's project in front of other groups. 6. Evaluate the learning experience. Teacher provide students with learning experience in reducing weights, and the teacher created the slogan "My trash is my creativity," so that from trash children can become creative. In line with this statement in the findings, Rafik et al. Saw the positive impact of project-based learning on student creativity, originally ability to think fluently, flexibility, elaboration, and evaluative skills. Project follow-up. 1. The teacher displays the children's work in class as a form of showing that they are highly appreciated. In line with this opinion, Daddy stated that displaying students' work in class can motivate students to learn and turn the classroom into a fun and interesting environment. 2. That every Friday, the teacher assigns students to clean the school environment so that the school is keep clean. The result of interviews with fifth grade students. When the project to strengthen the profile of Pancasila students was implemented, on average, the students felt happy, more enthusiastic about conducting an experiment with their classmates, and more creative in thinking with project-based learning. In agreement with this research result, Tika et al. So that project-based learning creates a fun atmosphere, and Purwanti et al. So that project-based learning can increase student motivation to improve their quality. Implementation for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Implementation project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. Students do not stick to the examples given by the teachers. They will have their own creative ideas. Students' imagination develop the various project results, and getting inspiration from the teachers with straightforward project examples serve as proof of this. Students have a high sense of enthusiasm and a high sense of curiosity. This is evidence from the habits of students who are usually lazy about discussion, working on, and breathing, becoming more enthusiastic about presenting making project. This project present challenge to the students. This can be seen in the students looking forward to creating a waste utilization project. Then, students are also brave when making decisions. This can be seen when making work. Students without hesitation attach them to each other to form a work. Then students appreciate the work they have produced. This can be seen when students feel proud of the work they produce and have high enthusiasm for displaying their work in class. Inhibiting factors. The implementation schedule was not in accordance with what had been determined and agreement with this research result. Guo et al. State that project-based learning takes a long time, which is one of its weaknesses. Supporting factor project when the existence of adequate media facilities at the school, for example, laptops, LCD, and speaker, in line with the statement Wulandari et al. So that learning media can provide concrete experience and help students learn. To elementary school Trisawahan, there is still a lot of rubbish scattered around that has not been utilized properly. Agreeing with this, UNI Rahmawati state that when learning research use the surrounding environment, contextual learning can occur. Solution to overcome obstacles. One of the solutions implemented by the teacher was a diversion to the project for strengthening Pancasila student profile implementation schedule. In line with this research result, Doni Ferdiansa and Hones Umikulsum state that teachers face difficulties in project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles, learning by assigning students to do assignment at home or outside class halls. Conclusion: fifth grade teacher at State Elementary School Cisawahan used to strategies to increase students' creativity to project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles. The first strategy is carried out through different learning, which is carried out based on student needs and interests. Next, the second strategy is implemented through project-based learning by utilizing use code, the create valuable crafts, strengthening character and increase student creativity can be achievement with project-based learning. The implementation of project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles, which was carried out at State Elementary School 3 Sawahan, was considered quite effective in increasing student creativity, one of which was through the practice of utilizing inorganic waste into various kinds of unique and valuable handicrafts. Students who exhibit a high level of curiosity come up with original ideas, think flexibly, are brave, enjoy trying new things, and face challenges while working on a project can attest to this. There are things that support the implementation of this project, namely adequate school media facilities and problems in the school environment. However, its implementation is not free from obstacles. The implementation scheduling for this project presented a challenge for the teacher because it did not follow the predetermined schedule. For this reason, teachers changed the project schedules to continue to support success in project for strengthening Pancasila student profiles learning. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.